Okay, guys, we're gonna be making.
Oh, maybe. No, see how the sun's getting in there?
Yeah. Making slime.
Here. Let me help you set this up right. Oops, we did something wrong there. Ready? Get your toes, sweet. I think I already started it accidentally.
It's fine. I started it. You just zoomed it in. So, first things first, you're going to need a mixing tool, mixing tools and stuff, spoon, something for Tide, and whatever glue, and whatever kind of slime you're making. I am making fluffy slime. Making fluffy slime. So let's get
Come on, I need some temperature, guys.
Let's get started.
54. I need a ways to go. Come on. Beat me up, baby.
So pour as much glue as you want. Just don't pour the whole thing, or you would need a lot of shaving cream. So. So I'm putting. Can you see that where it is? I'm putting that much in. Not a lot, because, you know. Second is the shaving cream.
That's a cool thing, do you? Oh, you do. You really like out of it.
No, I'm not. I'm going to see how fluffy it is. Second thing you do is mix the glue and the shaving cream together. And when you're done with that, you add your activator. I don't call for borax because burns your hands.
Let me get a paper towel.
Burns your hands and stuff, and just not good. Contact solution, it doesn't last that long. It lasts like it lasts like a day, maybe. Activator. This is not anything, it's just original Tide. And don't put too much or over-activate it. You don't want to over-activate it. And then you put the activator in. You have to mix it. I don't know how much activator, because I put a lot of glue.
Well, it's usually a cup to cup, isn't it? Kind of. Or mix it until it's just right.
Just put enough activator in it until it's just right. Just so you know, it does. If you get it on your clothes, if it's slime and you get it on your clothes, immediately change your clothes or it will stick to your clothes for the rest of your life. Huh?
And your watch. Your watch, don't get it on there.
Oh yeah, don't get it on your watch. It will never come off.
See all the glue down here, and you can see the level. There's the glue. There you go. You got a lot of work ahead of yourself. Wait a minute. Stir it up first. Look at all the glue that's down here.
You can't even see it. And always take off your watch before you do this. Be a way better idea.
Still got a buttload of glue there. Look at all that.
There's a hummingbird.
I wouldn't put. Wait a minute. Just stir it up first.
I'm just gonna go in
You
with my
got
hands.
a long ways to go because look at all the glue that's still in there.
I'm going in with my hands.
It's already getting stuck. It's like their nipples.
I'm going in with my hands. Because of
Yeah, don't add nothing until you get it's all in the bottom there.
don't want to add anything to get all glue mixed in. Is all the glue mixed in? Can you see any more glue down there?
Yep, lots of it at the bottom.
Bottom what corner? There is no corners.
Right here, all the way. Yeah, there's corners all the way around. There you go. Keep mixing it up. There's a buttload in there.
Try not to use both my hands because last time I did that, it turned into a fiasco. So,
Chaos.
yeah. And we made glow-in-the-dark slime. Literally. Was the porch glowing?
Mm-hmm.
Last
night it was.
It wasn't
I
glowing.
turned off these lights here and you could see where it spilled. It's kind of cool.
It seems like Nana's coming out.
Yeah, I know.
Not good.
That's alright. Just don't know. Just keep going. It's outside. She can't do it.
But it's on her porch.
Doesn't matter.
So, oops. I will pick up the shaving brush.
Just mix the jasmine mixer. Could add more soap, I think, huh? That's what I'm thinking.
I'm scared all over the porch.
Oh, the porch will wash off.
Can you help me? I just need this hand thing. It takes a lot of patience to make slime. If you don't have... And if you don't have patience, then don't make it. Because you have to have a lot of patience to make this.
Ew. That was a soapy thumb.
And if you don't have patience, then that's not good. I'm not saying that anyone doesn't have patience, but they had glue on it. Okay.
I'd do it again, though. It was fun.
Okay. Wait, you said you would do it again.
I would.
Okay.
Only if I was dared, though.
Okay, I dare you to lick my hand.
Yeah, okay.
I'm just
Got
kidding.
mixed up.
Oh, hey, Jordan.
Are you check on chicken?
Yeah, please. That one should. Oh no! Don't open it up. Just check the temperature. This is the. This one here is the one.
Why is it 20 still?
That's the temperature of the chicken. That needs to be 160. So it gets it.
160.
You can take that in the house. It's remote, so it's sensing it off of this thing. You can take it in the house though, and then let Grandpa know when it hits 160, and then we're good to go.
And then the chicken
You
will
wanna
be
go potty?
done.
No.
Huh?
No.
You don't want to do what? He doesn't want to do what?
Can't
Well, you
wait.
look like it was wiggling around like you had to go potty.
Can't wait until after dinner.
Why?
Then we can play games.
Oh, Nana said?
Come on, what about the rest of it, sweetie? Don't let that stuff turn into goober.
I think it's time to take it out of its thing.
Yeah, I think you got too much activator in there. Ouch.
Okay, let's clear the runway. Nana's doing that, but... Okay, can you help me dump it out on the table?
What?
Oh, yeah.
They're not cooking.
Literally half of that's glue.
Whatever.
What, Jordan?
They're
Oh,
not
crap.
cooking.
You know, it would be easier if you put it on some
Oh no.
parchment paper.
Oh no. We got
Oh,
it.
well,
We got
I'm
it.
not cleaning the table.
No, but I will.
Oh,
Need more activator in this.
Yeah, you do.
Right, and some more foam.
Oh, it's still on. We're still on video here.
Yep.
Hmm.
You can't pause
That
it.
is one of my favorite mermaid girlfriends here.
Literally, this is a disaster.
Not yet.
You still need to
Oh,
add.
there's still soap in there. Look at it. Look at all that blue stuff. That's still soap.
Literally, this stuff is cool. Even though it's gooey.
Can you guys hurry up with the chicken?
We already got one. We already got one in the house, honey.
Let me touch it. I wouldn't.
No, not yet, Jordan. Come on. It's still gooey.
Can you put more
Are you
shaving
making
cream?
fluffy?
No, we need more activator.
Can you-
Shaving cream is done.
No, it's not.
Yes.
No?
That's why it's still gooey.
No, it's not. It just needs more activator and
Jordan, no. We already got way too much going on here. Look at all this liquid stuff here. Need more activator.
can you get more activator?
I will.
I need my hair up. Ugh. It's coming along.
Kind of, yeah, it is. Kind of wondering what I should get for all this now.
Are
Ready?
you doing the dishes? No, I'm just kidding.
No, you're not doing dishes.
Nana would have been like, honey, boo-boo, I'll do the dishes around here.
I'd rather just much rather have the hugs and kisses. Much better for me. And then when you get older, when I get younger, no, younger.
Better.
You don't get fat when you get
Someday
old. You get
I'll be
wrinkly.
born again and I'll come find Jasmine and I'll be her boyfriend.
It went off.
Oh shit, dude.
Stop 54.
Why is it beeping?
It's what? Jordan, let me see it.
54.
I'll just push stop. We want 60.
Start,
We want 160.
Need more activator in it.
Hang on, mix it up. There's still blue stuff
Becca, I
in
want
there.
to go ride around with the other kids.
Yeah, I know you do.
Can
He's already said no. I need a hair tie. And always put a hair tie in your hair. You're doing when you're making this because it's.
Where are we? What's the meat at, Jordan?
I? 54.
We need 160.
Actually, we need 160 for it, but we can get it out of there sooner.
I think if this is not stop blinking.
Huh?
It's not blinking. It won't stop blinking.
Oh, so push.
What?
Yes. Stop and then push the meat thing there. It says taste. Push taste. And it should stop.
No.
Yep, push taste. It'll stop.
There we go.
Good man. Oops.
Start button. Anybody care if
Need
it's
one
on
more.
apple juice?
I've had some Jordan. It's good.
You can, Jordan, if you want. No, not.
But What'd you do?
Stepped on a brick.
Ow.
Yeah, but don't. That's for the meat, sweetie. Oh, God bless it.
You're just getting hurt.
Whatever.
Did you guys go swimming yet?
Yeah, well, yeah, we just got out. It was wonderful. You want to go?
No, you didn't.
Yeah, we blow dried
It was
our hair.
awesome. You want to go?
We blow
Get your
dried.
trunks on. Let's go.
I was watching you guys the whole time. You weren't even in it.
Yeah, we were
No, Jazz and I were pretty fast. We jumped in and jumped out pretty quick.
pretty
We're
cold.
getting ready for next week.
I want to go ride with the other kids.
Jordan, please don't ask me again. That's
It's almost dinner and we're playing video games, so you should be thankful.
Yeah.
And literally, it's recording, so.
I'm farting.
What?
Come on, Grandpa's not. This is gonna take forever.
I think, yeah, we need more
A little
activators.
bit more?
Current.
You think? Are you sure?
Grandpa, current temperature.
Yeah. It's pretty close.
Grandpa, current temperature in
Maybe just a
there
touch,
right
huh?
now is 95.
Pour it all over. Wait, so did Justin just join the group? The thing?
What thing?
The thing at work. Did he just join?
No, I don't know.
Then why are you going to have a meeting with him?
Fire.
Oh, this is for the water up here at where I live. It's a different Justin. Or it's, yeah.
With the
different
Justin that lives here?
No. Yes. Sorry.
Not the one in Gold Bar?
No.
The one, not
The
Patty.
one that lives up here.
Not the one that.
Yeah, not your uncle. Not your Uncle Justin. Huh?
He's our cousin.
Uncle.
He's cousin.
Can we have fire now? Can we have fire now?
How does that work? So Jeff is your uncle.
And Justin is our cousin. Because
Oh,
he's
yeah,
dad.
you're right. Sorry,
He's,
man.
he's dad's cousin.
You're right. No, you just straight. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Grandpa, can we have the fire now?
You're right. No, Jordan.
But it's
What the heck is that up
it's
there?
cold out.
Are you okay?
Then get a jacket on.
We're going to the house.
We need to get this car
Shit.
started.
Oh, no, that's actually pretty good.
If we add more shaving cream, it'll be more fluffier.
I don't think you can get much more fluffier than that.
Yeah, we can.
No, we can't.
Yeah, we
No, we
can.
can't.
Okay, I'll prove it.
No, we can't. No, we can't. No, we can't. No, get out of here. Are you serious? All right, fine. But you're going to mess it up, and we don't have a bunch of other ingredients. So
Hey, I haven't got my turn.
don't screw it up.
You can't add any more till, hold on, till this is all mixed in. Can't add more stuff. Oh yeah, nice and fluffy now. Mustache.
Jordan.
Add one
No, no more. Come on.
Well, just one drop.
No. All right.
There you go.
Let's
That's
stop.
way
It's like a worm and a wiener. So we're single.
Yeah, so we're single. Do we need any? Yeah. We need boyfriend and girlfriend. Just kidding.
Yeah, well, I want to be your boyfriend. Oh, you're still recording. I still want to be your boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm still recording. See what I mean? Super fluffy.
Because I love Jasmine.
Literally, this is the best.
Grandpa, it's not doing it anymore. Stop.
Well, leave it alone, please. Let's just let it go. It's a big chicken.
It's still one
It's the biggest one, anyways.
Mm-hmm.
I want
So we're waiting till that one is done, and then we're having dinner.
I guess. Or wait until you're done.
to tell Jasmine.
Feel this. Now it is the fluffiest slime in the world.
Oh, that is pretty cool.
We could
You're
add
right.
more if we wanted it
Why don't you just
fluffier.
mix it up?
It is mixed up already.
I think we need no more.
What? Little more. What?
See, it's starting to get dried out, so you don't want to do that.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
It's still sticky.
No, it's not.
That's why.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
If we add,
No, it's not.
you
No, it's not.
didn't even hear.
No, it's not.
You didn't even hear what I said.
No, you said no, it's not. What snot do you have? Oh, look at that. It's jiggly. Like you are. I think that's pretty cool.
If we add more shaving cream, it would be more fluffier.
Jiggly,
It would be more jigglier.
jiggly like a wiener.
Jordan, I'm recording.
Well, I made fire out of my hand.
That's pretty cool.
Grandpa, look, I made fire out of
Oh
my hand.
shoot, that's cool.
Grandpa, look. Dan, you missed it. You missed it.
My mermaid
Grandpa,
girlfriend's
look,
after
Grandpa,
it.
Grandpa, look. Grandpa, look.
Jordan, hang on.
Fast before it goes away. I have made fire out of my hand.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, look at that. The slime likes me.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Can we check on the stuff again? What? Stop staying at 54.
Time to go wash your hands.
I don't want to touch the butt.
I love Jasmine. She's my friend. She's the only mermaid in the end.
Hey, it's not sticky.
I've got an idea.
You get to spray it once. Okay, okay. Give it! Give it. Mix, 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 mix. Not really. Wait, let's prank Grandpa. You grown a beard.
Do my hand and we'll shove it in his face.
Okay.
Jasmine, you piece of shit.
Jen, it's on the ground. Oh God, it's on my shoe.
God, it's on my shirt.
Go, 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 quick. I'm gonna break my
Open wide.
No.
Open wide!
Well, don't do that out here. Come on, I'm gonna get in trouble, you guys. Jordan, don't. I'm
I
serious.
did it!
That's not gonna work. Anna's gonna get pissed. Jordan?
Don't. Do it. Ugh.
Go give me a
Please don't.
That was fun. You just need...
Wait, don't put it away. I want to still play with it.
Jordan, come on. Don't. I'm gonna get in trouble.
Piece of crap.
Don't, because I'll get in trouble.
Grandpa, give me some.
It's...
No, you look just fine. Go in the house and say, Nana, you got rabies.
Say, Nana, you got rabies.
Mm-hmm.
To Nana. It's still recording.
So? About the rabies?
Mhm.
Oh, the tummy thing. I know, I like your tummy. Now what are you going to do? Look at Jordan put a bunch of shaving cream in there, too. All right, let's get that mixed up. That's actually pretty cool. I want to do more of this.
We could. We have 2 bags. We can make another one.
No, because Nana's got about the other chickens almost
razor
done.
blade.
What? Oh, say that again?
Where's the laser?
Laser blade leg?
Wait, what'd she say?
Jordan, come on, don't. We're going to... All it's going to do is make somebody
Give me
mad.
it.
Here.
So what did Nana say?
Poop your pants.
No,
Literally,
just
what did
don't.
she say?
Don't agonize her. Because
Freaking knock
it makes it hard on all of us.
What did Nana say? Give me some more, Grandpa.
She's probably mad.
Why would she be mad?
Because don't. It's not. It's...
Oh God, it's on my neck.
Yeah, and in your shirt and in your hair. Time
Jordan, come on.
to shave your hair off.
Yeah, come here.
Give me a whole freaking...
Jordan, come here. Get that cleaned up.
Oh my butt.
Jordan, just... It's not funny because Nana's going to get mad.
It stings like a butt.
We're outside, so she shouldn't.
That's not the point.
Ah, but also...
Jordan, stop. Act your age.
Why
please.
can't I have a turn and shove it in Jasmine's butt face?
Don't. Please don't. I'm just trying to save any yelling that's going to happen.
For the games.
We screw up now and that's not going to
Wait,
happen.
aren't you supposed to shave in the shower with this crap? Hey, don't.
Necessarily.
I can do
All right,
whatever
come
I
on.
want. It's mine.
You're good. There you go. Oh,
Foam.
Yeah, I wiped my butt on that.
yeah, okay, Jordan, don't. Please, Nana's going to get mad. Don't. I don't need
Literally.
to listen to that stuff.
She'll be like, "Ja, na, na,
And then it's sacred.
Hey, I want to make my own one.
Grandpa put all the stuff away, didn't he?
Nice.
Yes, let's go grab it.
No, not right now, Jordan.
We'll do
We're
it
done.
tomorrow. We'll do it
I
tomorrow.
want to play with it.
Hell no.
I want slime. You already have some.
Here, you can play with that.
Jordan.
I said my brother could play with. So I get this much and he
There's
gets
two
this
bags.
much.
I want a big piece.
No, I just made it. So let me have some fun with it before I give it away.
Stop.
I will break your fingers if you touch this.
I'll smack you in the balls.
Jordan, don't.
It's recording. I hope you know that, right?
Nope. Let me have some.
I will break your fingers.
She already gave you a little piece.
I stepped in shaving cream. I stepped in shaving cream.
You stepped in shaving toxic.
But just,
Jordan,
I
stop,
will break
please.
your fingers.
Give me a big piece of nugget. Ew, how sexy. A bigger piece. Bigger.
Jordan, please don't.
Smaller. Bigger.
Why tease him? Just give him something so he's got something to play with.
That's too small.
Literally, he cried. Because we did-
Hey, come on.
He literally cried
You guys are
yesterday.
ruining my evening if you're gonna start screaming and stuff.
Hold on, I'm trying to tell you something. He literally cried because he didn't get a medium drink.
Listen to that. Ow, ow.
You know you are on the video.
Get off of it. That's it. I'm knocking it down.
Stop!
Ow. Ow.
See, I got some moves.
Don't embarrass me.
Ow.
Stop!
Stop it, guys are embarrassing.
Give me my freaking slime.
Give me my piece back, you.
No.
I try to put it back on.
I will break your
Ow! Grandpa Jasmine hit me.
Don't mind him. He's just being rude.
That's a small turkey.
Drinking, I don't understand what's going on.
Just don't. Just
It's too hot.
keep stepping in.
What's this?
Grandpa, I think it's done.
What?
I think that's why it's shrinking.
Ow, hot.
Ow!
Ow. You can bite your face off.
Jordan, please don't.
Don't make me cut your face off.
You want banana?
Yes, I do. Yes, I certainly do.
I have a Hookie's knife.
I got this. And it works.
Yeah.
So, back off. Or
Jordan,
I
put it back. Come
will.
on.
And play with some.
No.
Jordan.
I just made it, so no. You know what?
We paid a price.
Care. Because you would just get in trouble for it, so.
You won't give me a piece.
Because I don't have to, because it's mine. Just ignore him.
Jordan, please don't.
Just ignore him.
Give me a piece.
Fine, you get a piece.
That's too small.
Don't do this like you did in the movie theaters. Stop!
Jordan, come on.
Literally, I'm
Yeah,
trying.
we're trying to have fun.
You're not giving me a bigger piece.
You don't deserve a freaking bigger
Give
piece.
me a bigger piece.
No, not the way you're acting. You get it, or I'm going to take it back.
Give me a bigger piece. Stop.
You're on video, Jordan.
This is all you get since you're hitting me.
Stop. Give me a bigger piece.
That's all you freaking get, freaking baby.
Bigger.
No,
This is too small.
I don't give a crap.
I don't give a crap either.
Sorry, Jessica.
It's okay. It's Jordan being mean. On freaking video on YouTube.
It wasn't my fault.
Give me my slime now.
Stop, Jordan.
Give me my slime.
No, I can play with it.
No. Give me my slime.
No.
Sorry about my brother. He's being
Shut up. Go ahead.
He's being mean. He's being mean. Give me my slime before I whoop your butt.
No.
Jordan,
Grandpa,
come
you
on.
literally just took a
Jordan.
lot more than he's supposed to.
Hey, stop it. Jordan.
Give me my freaking slime now before I'm gonna go tell Dad.
That's not over here.
Give me it. You're gonna be grounded.
Jordan, I'm not putting. She asked to pour it back. Knock it off.
It sticks to you. Ew, and he made it dirty with his nasty hands. Thank God I got it back. His hands are nasty. Yeah, didn't work. Of course, Nan's gonna probably come out and say, Jasmine, you better share.
It's not your problem.
It's mine, not his, so he should have made some, which is my stuff we got. I can't wait for dinner. We get homemade macaroni and not really homemade corn because I can't really make homemade corn. And we get corn, and turkey. Wait, is it chicken or turkey?
Chicken.
We're having chickens.
Slow cooked chicken.
Homemade recipe.
Yep.
Literally, he made my slime nasty. Literally. What?
Like Grandpa's feet. Gonna get in trouble.
Probably some. Looks like your hand's bleeding.
Well, yeah. It's not blood though. That's so cool.
But it gets stuck to you. See, I knew it wouldn't be turning out clear.
Well, it can't because you got white shaving cream, right?
Wait,
So that way it
if
can come
it
out.
sits for a long time, for a little bit, it might start.
It's full of air bubbles, so it can't be clear.
What do you mean air bubbles?
Air. That's what makes shaving cream is the air bubbles.
We cleaned out the pool today. It's pretty nasty.
And then we added chlorine, right?
Yep. Comment down below if you went to go see Sherlock Gnomes. If you've seen it. I went to go see it yesterday. Pretty fun.
Come on, chicken, chicken. Oh, maybe that's part of the problem. This is like in centigrade.
What does that mean? So it's probably already done.
I gotta find my phone.
It's right here.
Oh.
This is your phone. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.